Hello guys, I'm Zara Ahmed here, solution expert at Jotform.com. So today I'm going to give a quick introduction on what is Jotform and what are the features. Okay, so I have been using Jotform from like 2016 and I have seen this platform gaining a lot of changes, lot of upgrades, and like they are upgrading and improving themselves on monthly basis. I'm also partnered with Typeform and FormStack and some other form builders. Have been using multiple form builders for my different clients, but so far Jotform is one platform that I saw is extensively improving itself. Yeah, from some API point of view, when I'm using their code and API things, I felt it needs improvement. But from a journal user point of view, I will recommend anyone to go with this tool blindly. Okay, so let's get started. I will explain you the features and the pricing and everything in quick video. So first, I think just to give a try, you have to go with a free starter package. And the amazing and the coolest thing about Shortform is that you can use all the features that they are offering in the free plan. So it's not that in order to use some specific feature, you have to upgrade, uh, except there's an exception that they are not offering HIPAA compliance in free plan, and that it really makes sense as well. Okay, so one thing that the free plan has, its Jotform branding. It comes like this, that powered by Jotform. So in order to remove this, you have to upgrade your plan. But I think it's okay, since they are giving you a lot of features in the free plan and you're just trying it out. So promoting Jotform this way is not a bad idea. Okay, so Jotform has basically two layouts. They're offering two layouts. One is the classic layout and one is the cards layout. So if you want something very trendy, very classy and cool, then you can go with Jotform card layout. It looks something like this, that a slide come and you can scroll to the next page easily. Okay, I mean a very nice looking feature. So yeah, there are some limitations here that I feel it needs improvement. We can discuss it some further videos. I will make a specific video for card in future. Okay, so um so this is how it looks. We can add background image. We can even add GIFs and videos in the background. So there are various templates they are offering in their cards layout. And the other layout Jotform is offering is called Classic. So Classic looks something like this. As you can see here, everything in one page. So everything can come in one page. Okay, so that's what classic looks like, and we can change backgrounds, we can add images and videos and everything, just like making a landing page. Okay, the next feature of this is that you can even collect payments from Jotform. So within Jotform, we can use PayPal, Square, and all of these and collect payments from user. Yeah, because of security reasons, we will not get to know what is the credit card, CSV, and everything. CVC. However, we can sell our products through Jotform. Okay, and in the free version, we will get 10 payment submissions. The next very nice feature of Jotform is that you can even map your form fields with a PDF. So you can upload your PDF and map it with your form fields. You can even upload your PDF and Jotform will automatically convert the fields and place them for you. However, that's not very um, advanced yet. They are still improving. Like AI is not always, the best. It's still improving. So you have to restructure the form yourself and map all the things manually. But it's super easy. Like you can click and add the field anywhere you want. Okay, so very cool feature, and especially this is all coming in all the plans of them. Any plan you can use. So while I have used many other form builders and none of them offer this feature in free, like mapping with a PDF. So something very cool. Yeah, but you have to remember that the final PDF that you will receive will not be fillable. It will be a static PDF. Okay. You can also easily set that on form submission who should receive the form email, autoresponder or notification, anything. And also you can send user a PDF on the form submission. It can be a default PDF or a fillable, like filled PDF that we just mapped here. So a default PDF looks something like this. So I will go in here, I will create a PDF template, just let's say, and it will automatically bring all the fields from the form. So here you can see the PDF that is created, and we can like make the PDF into two columns and add any text. We can bring the fields from the form, whatever we need. We can delete the page. We can add elements, boxes, text boxes, colors, and I mean many other things that we can do in this PDF. Moving next, Jotform is offering very nice conditional setup that you can easily apply conditions. Even if you're just new to Jotform, the layout and the way it is offering things are very unique and very easy to use. So, for example, if this is field, then copy a value from this field to another field. Okay, if this is field, then do calculations and put into year. I mean, everything is super easy and super cool to do. Like you feel fun doing the form, fun while making the form. So we can set up different thank you pages. We can integrate from variety of applications here. Like you can connect with Google Sheets. You don't need Zapier. Automatically, you can send your data to online Google Sheet, to Slack, to Mailchimp. Okay, but yeah, for some points you may need Zapier and Integromat type tools for further extensive conditional integrations. Okay, in the form settings there are multiple different options. It should be password protected. Either we can add translations in the form. So, for example, here in this form, we can click on English or French or Dutch or anything, and that language can be changed. And it's again very super to do it. You don't have super easy to do it. You don't have to recreate the form. In fact, you just have to go click edit and choose a language and just uh, put the other language translation against each field. So it's very easy to use. In the publish panel, you can see the embed codes. You can copy this and add a form in your website. Okay, using source code, if you are a programmer or you have understanding of HTML, CSS, then you can do further manipulation in the form and add it in your website. So, I mean, various other features. You can even pre-fill the form fields. Like, for example, you want some specific fields to be pre-filled and sent to someone. You can do through your form pre-fill panel. For example, you're sending your form to be filled by a school and you want to add the school name and send them the form. So you can just pre-fill the school name and send a form to them to fill the rest of the fields. Okay, so such features makes this platform very powerful. Further, they have some powerful reporting features that all the results can come in some sort of reports. Okay, and if you want very extensive reports, then you can also use Jotform API. They have a very powerful API that you can use to work with. Recent upgrade that Jotform has done is added approval process. So if you're in HR or want to automate some workflows, you can easily use automated system in Jotform. So the form entry can come, go to approval for someone, and all this process works. So you can see how easily you can create flows. As you can see, the person can approve or reject here, can add further details. So all this is possible using approval workflows in Jotform. If you're familiar with Airtable, then Jotform is trying to do something similar. So all the data comes into a very user-friendly table format. You can further automate it, can arrange the data and many powerful things. So if you just go to the product page, you can get further information, or I can explain it further in my next coming videos. HIPAA is one of the very powerful features. If you're from medical industry and you want to further secure the forms, then yes, this is the best tool to go with. One question that most of my customers ask is our data secure? Then yes, for sure. You can see here all of the compliances that Jotform is fulfilling with, and they can inscript your entries. You get a inscription key, and if you receive email with all the data, it will be all encrypted. So many features that this tool is offering here. So that's all for today's video. I will be making more videos for different features of Jotform, explaining them in detail, what how and how you can use them, how you can implement them. So feel free to subscribe my channel, like my video, and if you have any questions regarding any specific feature, you can just comment and I will be responding you. Thank you very much.